I have Motorola Moto G82, and today I'm going to show you how to how to turn on or off vibration for calls on this device. So firstly you have to open settings and go to sounds and vibration, and here you can find where it was. I would go in call vibration, and that's how you can switch this feature. But yeah, and here you can also change vibrate for calls. You can never vibrate or always vibrate, or vibrate first then ring gradually. I guess this is the best choice. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.